name is Gea Peper. I'm the founder and owner of the Happiness Bureau from the Netherlands. I'm very much looking forward to conducting a workshop on how to create a great employee experience at the conference Happiness at Work in Bordeaux in June. And during my workshop we will answer 3 questions. The first question, what is employee experience? The second one, why is a great employee experience important? And the third one, last but not least, how can we create a great employee experience and make sure we create happy organizations? I'm very much looking forward to seeing you all at the conference.